We manage accounts for other people and we do a 50-50 profit split where our client or customer doesn't have to do any of the work. We do everything, literally everything. It's completely hands off, and then we just share this profit split. Like the average order or average order value is pretty high, so we don't get 50 orders which you have to fulfill. We get maybe like 20, which helps a lot with item not received cases and returns and all those things. Most accounts can only do 10k listings, but maybe you won't be able to do 6k monthly profit, but you can easily do 3-4k profit. We can make it happen.
All right, what's up, guys? Marc, Augustine here, and in this video, I have Joran. If you are new to the channel, Joran has been on the channel for about a little over 6 months now. Back last year, we did a video on his journey and what he was doing to get to $200 a day in profit. And since then, we've started an agency and we've been able to create results for clients similar to those goals. So that's kind of what we're going to go over in this video today. Like the video, subscribe. So Joran, what's going on? How you doing?
Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm doing good, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So we manage a number of accounts. The name of the agency is DS Pro Solutions. If you guys want any more information, I'll put a link in the description. But this is just one of the accounts. What we're doing today is showing you guys kind of going through an analysis of one of the accounts we're running. So this, you could look at this as like a case study. So you want to share your computer and jump into
Yeah,
it?
so I'll just share my screen right now and just show you some of the results that we've been having on one of our clients' accounts, right? So what we do is if you haven't heard about it or haven't seen previous videos, we manage accounts for other people and we do a 50-50 profit split where our client or customer doesn't have to do any of the work. We do everything, literally everything. It's completely hands off, and then we just share this profit split, right? So as you can see here, for the last 14 days, this account has made 2,700 in profit. And I can also like update it to lifetime, right? I think we managed this account since, what is it, November? Actually, this one is maybe December.
Yeah,
So it's been like a few months, right?
like 3 months because today is
Yes,
March 24th. So January,
yeah.
February, March.
So it's like almost 4 months, I think, because January, February, March, and December, right? But like the first 1 or 2 months was very very slow. Like we kind of like didn't push it too hard, so we just like scaled sales slowly. And now we're up to a point where in the last 30 days, for now, the last 30 days is 6.2 even, right? And for the last 14 days, it's 2.7, right? So we're averaging around maybe 200, maybe a little bit less a day in profit, which is absolutely great, right? And don't mind you, we don't do that on a crazy volume. Like the average order or average order value is pretty high. So we don't get 50 orders, which you have to fulfill. We get maybe like 20, which helps a lot with item not received cases, returns, and all those things. As you can see here, I'll just show the traffic, right? Because here's when we started scaling it a bit harder. I can do past 90 days as well, actually. You can see it from the start, how it looks like. Yeah, so like we started in December. You can see like the listing views are so little. Even here, maybe we even started in January, honestly, like with this account, by the looks of it. But yeah, then we started scaling and it's only going up, right? The amount of views that we're getting, and we're still pruning and like improving the account. So I'm actually expecting more revenue over a longer period of time when we prune and we get new listings in and we keep the good listings, right?
Right.
But this is a process and it takes a lot more time.
And
Obviously the
a lot
account.
of you guys watching this, if you're watching this, a lot of you guys may want to know how to dropship on eBay. And there are a lot of you guys who just don't have the time. And you have to make like a conscious decision. Do I have the time to put in 4 or 8 hours a day to try to make $5,000 to $6,000 a month? Or is it worth it for us to take care of it? And we have the structure in place to take care of it for you guys. But sorry, you're on. Go ahead.
Yeah, and even then it's really hard, right? Like this is not an easy thing to achieve. In contrary of what people say to make money on eBay, it's actually not that simple. This account has a lot of listings. It has 25k listings, which helps a lot. Most accounts can only do 10k listings, but maybe you won't be able to do 6k monthly profit, but you can easily do 3k profit. We can make it happen. That might also take a bit more time, but it's definitely more than possible. Yeah, I mean that would make you, if we do a 50-50, that would make you $1,500 a month, right? In profit, which is amazing. Like I think anyone would take that deal for almost having to do nothing. So
To do nothing, yeah.
yeah, like right, yeah. There's just a setup, right? There's just a setup, and that's it. Like there's nothing else to it, and it's completely hands-free. So yeah, that's the account as you can see here. I'll show the overview. Our sales have been yeah, like we've been peaking at around 2.4K in revenue. On average, it's probably right between like 1.5 and 1 to 1.5 maybe. It's a bit maybe a bit more than that. Around 1.5 is our average in revenue probably. Even though these
Right.
bars
A
look
little
very
less
little,
because it's 35,000, 31 days. So maybe like 1.2. 1.5 would
yes,
be like 45.
right, yeah, right. Actually, you can do the math like that. Yeah, it's like 1.2, and profit margins are pretty healthy. It's around 20%. Accounts is full healthy. There's 22K listings right now. And yeah, I mean, this could be your account essentially. If you have an eBay account that has good limits, selling limits, then this could definitely be an account, something for you as well. Even if you do not have that, with accounts with 10K listings max, they can also make between 2 to 3 to 4K a month.
All right, yeah. So thanks a lot, Joran. And guys, this is putting in. We have staff that works on these accounts full time. This is not when you have the account set up, someone is working on it almost every day. So it's
Oh,
something that,
definitely every day, like every day ads.
yeah,
There's done work every day on the accounts, every single day. From customer service is responses to order fulfillment to handling returns and handling disputes. Everything is being handled.
and listing.
And listing, obviously, yes, of
Yeah.
course.
All right, guys. So if you want any information on the service, I'll put a link in the description. So remember, you have to have eBay account, preferably in the US, and you would have to have a certain amount of investment to fulfill orders and investment to set up, get the right computer, that type of thing. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. We look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a good one.
Bye bye.